Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I'm at my desk. It is Monday morning and it's 8 o'clock. I don't know how this desk stays such a mess. Well, I do too. Everybody does. We're always working on stuff. I wanted to pull this book down that I'm working on. I believe I'm calling this the Lady Naturalist. Ooh, I just love this book. I don't know if I'm going to be able to part with it, but it's not anywhere near done. And I wanted to just look through. I have a couple of things. I think I stuck some pages inside. A couple of things that I might glue in this morning, since I am just going through here and going through the workshop and tying up loose ends and cleaning up. And I noticed this book on the shelf. Here we go. These two vintage, well, they were prints, and I scanned those. So we have these beautiful, beautiful illustrations, these butterfly illustrations that I can put in. I know I saw my scissors somewhere. Maybe I actually put those away. I did. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is going to be a really pretty book, I think. All kinds of stuff in it. And each signature is sewn in with a sewing machine. Ooh, that old paper sometimes has a feel to it that, I don't know, it's a little bit creepy. It's almost like fingernails on a chalkboard, but it's different. Kind of grabs your skin, but it's not rough, it's smooth. It's weird. Does anybody know what I'm talking about? Oh, I love this. That old burlap page. And then that looks like somebody made a headband. It was just a homemade looking thing on wire with all these flowers that had been glued to some felt. I just thought that would be pretty to put the whole thing in. Let's see, where are we? Ah, yes, maybe she's the Lady Naturalist. Oh, I do need something in the back, but I'm probably going to put some fabric over this. I don't know, or maybe... Let me go ahead and cut this out. We had some rain again yesterday, not as much as other days, but it sounds so funny to say I had paper hanging out on the clothesline, but I did. And fortunately, it didn't get too wet. It's covered by some trees. The sky had gotten clear and it was sunny. And it felt like it was going to warm up a little bit. Not that it wasn't warm, but you know how damp everything feels when the sky is dark and it's been raining. The sun came out, so it just made everything feel hotter, like the paper would dry if I put it outside. But then it was raining again last night. So the paper's not too wet. I just went and checked on it. There was one piece on the ground, and it looks like a creature had been chewing on it. So I don't know what that was all about. That's kind of tall for that. That's really pretty. I could trim that down some and put that in the back. I like that. And then maybe stain on either side of it. That's pretty. So let's leave that there for now. And I will go ahead and cut this out. Oh, I listed about 7 journals, I believe. I'll try to show those to you on the channel if I get a chance. They're inside in where I keep my inventory. And they're very, they're pretty standard for what I make for the Etsy shop for that price. Layers of fabric stitched over file folders. So they're soft cover in pretty much every sense, but they're not floppy. I like that style. One signature, 15 folded pages, and I put a couple of paper pockets in some of them. And each one has the fabric pocket across the front. They're great for just the daily junk journaling. So those are in the shop. I will be adding more to the shop throughout the week. Monday's my major inventory day. I kind of messed myself up over the weekend with that long nap, but I know I needed it. That's pretty there. Let me see if I have, where are they? Put some, we could put some corners on here. How would that look? That's pretty cool. We could also make some corners. Some of these are stuck together. They tend to do that. These older ones with the adhesive usually doesn't mess up the part that you actually need though. Maybe I will just leave those there for now. And I can always change my mind before I attach that. But when I saw these, I did want to go ahead and get those cut down. Ooh, that's pretty. Trying to remember why this is on the desk. Oh, I know why. I was going through ephemera yesterday and found some pages that would be good for book pages. Okay. Oh, and let's see. I might want to keep these here. That would be pretty in here. So yeah, let's do that. This is a good thing for this book. So that's great. I'm glad that I brought this book over. And what was the other thing? Oh, this I feel like would be good. This beetle to go in the book. Is that more than one page? Maybe it is. Let's see. Okay, just this one. That's the only one that I want to have in here. I'm not too sure about these. Maybe. So let's keep those there. And I'll put this back on the shelf. Well, I just wanted to check in this morning. I'm going to be continuing to clean up out here. I've got a few more things to list in the shop. Today's my inventory, as I said. So probably put more in today. And I have fun packs I would love to get in there today. And then maybe again later in the week. Usually on Friday, I do end up listing more things. So I will be back soon, and bye for now.